पुंसीसे नंगलाई मिनजगे लाइरेम बेगुं लाचेगे अइगी सेंग्लब थमोय लैखोदा नंगी दमक्तनी अइना हिंदोयसे नंगु फंगजबना अइगी पुंसीगी पन्तुने
Korumjari Mayam Nongjariba, guys. I hope you are all in a good situation, in a good health, in a good or in a safety situation right now, guys. Yes, and wow. By the way, I'm Jason, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jerodix TV. And for today's video, I'm so excited again to grant another requested Manipur song, and it was requested by our viewers Neller KK Entertainment, and he wants me to react this kind of a Manipur music with the title of CHAGERA CHAROIGERA official music video release. So the singer here, guys, is Rajesh, Thongam, and the cast here are Khaba and Gepelina. So, the owner, by the way, the owner of this video is credited to Tantha. Thank you so much to you, Tantha, for always there to uploading some different Manipur music. And I'm always here to support you and to react your Manipur music. So, thank you so much, Tagajari! Yes! So, guys, please join me until the end of this musical videos as a support for this song, okay? So, before that, make sure that you're subscribing first to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon for you to be updated always on my next reaction of video here in my channel, guys. So, without further ado, let's get now and watch this video. H360 pictures! Yahoo! Tantha! CHAGERA CHAROIGERA. Rajesh Thongam, the singer. Khaba and Gepelina. Oh, Mr. Khaba! He's so young here. Woo! Oh, Gepelina! Oh my goodness! I love Manipur music. Oh, wow! I like this scene, just like that one, the romantic scene. Oh, he's so handsome like me also. Yes! Come on, guys, let's watch Manipur music. Oh, the ladies leaving. Maybe she's the one also very famous lady artist there in Manipur, Gepelina. She look like Bala. Yes, Bala Hijam. He always looking this lady, but this lady, I don't know. Maybe she don't have feeling in this guy. But this guy didn't stop to serenade this beautiful lady. Oh. There's so funny moment here or scene. Look at them, what's he doing to the lady? Oh, what's that? Wait. Oh, I didn't read that one. Wow, she's so beautiful. Director. Yeah. Bonus track. Woo. Ow, that was the CHAGERA CHAROIGERA Manipur music. Bravo. I love it and I like it so much. The scene, the dramatic scene here, the what's this? The romantic scene, the serenade, how to serenade the lady. There's some funny scene here. There's some part here that are so funny, especially for the role of the guy, Khaba, and well, the lady here is so beautiful, very lovely face, Gepelina. So you know, guys, one day that I cannot react, guys, Manipur music. You know, I think it's not my day is not complete, guys, without, you know, I'm listening Manipur music. That was my everyday routine in my life, guys, to hear some or to listen some different Manipur music. So guys, don't stop request Manipur music. Not only Manipur music, any kind of a music with your different state there in India. I'm always welcome those people or viewers, subscribers that request to my comment section. Any song, guys, any music. But you know, in a few months, guys, this few months ago, I'm always, or as you can see on my playlist, there's a lot of money for music because some of you are requesting money for music. So for me, it's a honor to grant your request. Okay? So taga-chari to all of you guys. And Aina Nangbu Noshi to all of you. Especially for my viewers and subscribers there in Northeast India. So, wow, another reaction of video indeed for today. I hope you enjoy and you like it, this music that I react today, guys. And if you like, guys, please don't forget to share this, or to like and share this to your families and friends and to your communities. And please, guys, give this a lot of a thumbs up for this. We can share, or we can share our supporting to this song. Okay? So, what else? So, before we ended this reaction video, for those new to my channel, guys, I just want to remind you, subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my reaction of video here in my channel. So, wow! See you around, guys. See you on my next reaction of video. Thank you so much. Taga-chari, Aina Nangbulnongsi, I love you all, guys. And God bless you. Bye!